This is the top end of the park, the top path, which I've not actually been up before. But you can still hear the moor in the distance and the gorgeous smell of cut grass. Beautiful trees up here. It's really gorgeous and calm. No blue sky today, but it's still glorious. And then we look down on where I've come from, actually, the river over there. I do hope you're managing to get out. There's Darcy hiding in the trees there. Yeah, here. Good girl, good girl. There we are. Quite a few runners out today. Another dog walkers. I did a short video a little while ago, a live one, and I will post it up. I'll check it because there were quite a lot of children around, all squealing and giggling and laughing, enjoying themselves. And I don't think I didn't want to take their faces or anything, but I'll check so that, because I don't want to share publicly when we've not had consent from people. But I think it was just a fleeting glance. This time I've not got any people in the video, just Darcy. Floyd is walking along next to me here for once. The river's so calm this morning as well. And as I said in my live video, this week was solstice, summer solstice in the northern hemisphere. And solsteri, I think, is the Latin word for the sun stands still. So I did a podcast on how to still your mind. It's vital when we've got so many challenges of life around us. And there's where Darcy was a wee while ago. She went down into the water. And of course I've said it before, but we have some amazing parks here in Glasgow. We're very lucky. I'm not sure, I think at one point we had more parks than any other city in Europe, I think it was, but who knows, maybe we were just, that was us in Glasgow thinking that. Oh, and there's Darcy. Teetering on the edge here. Is there a space I can get down, she thinks? Can you? Oh, I don't know. Down a wee bit, maybe there. I know if she got up, you'd imagine she could get down, but it can get a wee bit steep for her because she's a bit older now. And she just likes, like I do, just pootling along. There we are. I just love my Pup Park Pootles. And down near the water is hardly moving at all. Oh, here's people coming, so I'll just actually sign off just now. Because I like it to be quite quiet. So just remember my ABC and smile and laugh. They cost you nothing. and virtual hugs to everybody. Bye for now.